Welcome back to another episode of Nick
and Matt.
Good morning, Health Nuts. It is Monday morning. I slept in well, it's 8 o'clock right now. I went to bed at 2 a.m. last night, super late, so I only had like 6 hours of sleep. But I don't know, I felt like having a late night last night, just watching Netflix and chilling, because I did work this past weekend, so I just thought I would have a little bit more me time. And this is the second week now that Matt is away in Asia. He actually just called me this morning. He's in Korea right now, and he's really enjoying himself, eating lots of delicious bibimbap and Korean food, and I'm so jealous. But yeah, I thought I would vlog today because it's just me, myself, and I today. I thought I would just take you guys along with what I've been doing by myself. But I'm gonna start my day, and let's have an amazing Monday because we got some fun stuff to do today. Not really, but I mean, we have one fun thing to do. Other than that, it's just gonna be me and you. So let's get started with the day. Some towels I washed the other day, which I'm testing out. Where are they? I'm testing out these wool dryer balls. We've been using wool dryer balls for years, but we have these new ones that I think I'm gonna put up on the shop, and we're just testing them out. This is probably like the 10th load I've had them in, and I put some lavender essential oil on them last time, so our towels will smell nice and lavendery. And yeah, I think they're way healthier for you than dryer sheets, and they're reusable and eco-friendly and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna fold these up. I just like to roll up the towels in this little basket I got from Target, and it just is an easy way to store them since we don't have like a towel rack or anything here. But yeah, so towels folded. So to wash my face, I've been using this Juice Beauty cleanser, and it's like basically done. I need to buy a new one. And then, I mean, no surprise, I love my Luminance. So I have their Nourishing Serum. I just got a new one. And I just got a new one of their Blue Chamomile Eye Cream. I really love it. I've been using it for a while. I might want to get something thicker for at night. So if you can recommend one, leave a comment down below. And then I top everything off with this Hydration Moisturizer. This is like my holy grail. I love this stuff. It just sinks right into my skin. And then for my makeup, I want to test out this Luminance there's the, what's the name? Illuminating Primer. And I think you wear this underneath your makeup. It's also by Juice Beauty. And they sent me some products like a while back and I haven't gone through them all. So I'm gonna try this under my makeup today and see how I like it. All right, so makeup is basically done. I just have to put lipstick on. I'm still drinking my smoothie. I usually will sip on this for a while. Like I just kind of drink it while I'm getting ready, doing emails, all that fun stuff. But I don't think I mentioned, so today I'm doing a live stream. I'm going over to the Chorus building, which is part of my network, Kim Community. They're like located in the Chorus building. And we're doing a live stream. I'm doing a live stream over on Amanda Muse's YouTube channel with Simply Share. And those girls are so funny and awesome, so I know it's gonna be a good chat. But we're basically just doing a live stream to do a recap of the web series Upstairs Amy that I did a cameo in like end of last year, early this year. And we're gonna be just like chatting about the show, about like pressures of society, just being in the public eye and all that fun stuff that comes with it. So I think it's gonna be really fun. It's like a 30-minute live stream. I will link it down below once it'll be on Amanda's channel like permanently, so I will link it down below so you guys can watch it if you're interested. So yeah, I'm just getting ready. I'll show you guys. So since like the web series is sponsored by Walmart, I thought it would be really fun. Sorry, I have an itch. I thought it would be really fun to wear something from Walmart because I saw the cutest shirt when I was grocery shopping with my mom at like Walmart a few weeks ago. I've had this shirt waiting for quite a while now to wear for this thing, and I got the cutest shirt, and you would never know it's from Walmart. I feel like Walmart is stepping it up with the fashion department. Like I've picked up 3 pieces in the last couple months from Walmart that I really love. I feel like they're trying to replace like that Target gap that Canadians have right now. Okay, so this is the shirt. I don't know if I can show. So it has like a tie thing at the bottom, and just the print I love, and these bell sleeves. Like how cute. I mean, they're not practical for when I'm cooking in the kitchen. I think there's a slit in them. Yeah. Oh, they're so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this today since it's a Walmart live stream. I thought it would be very appropriate, and I just think it's so cute. And this was, so it's by George, and it was $19.97. Is that not a steal of a deal? Steal of a deal from Walmart. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna wear that, and I just have to figure out what kind of pants to wear, but something comfortable because we're just sitting and chatting, and I'm all about that comfort life. So, all right, this is my final look. Nice and casual. I just have my shiny boots on. This is Saki for Bright Beauty. Yeah, I'm gonna put my jacket on. I'm gonna walk over. I have like 15 minutes to get there, so I have to leave. So let's just grab the jacket. And I'm gonna let Wally clean up the floors while I'm gone. He can fit under the bed, by the way. He like lowers down, and he's awesome. So he's gonna clean up while mommy goes to work. So this is like the cutest little man-made beach over here. There's like, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's like little pink umbrellas, sand. Let's walk in the sand. It's like summer in the winter. Isn't it so cute? So this is the Chorus building. You can see the name there, but I'm gonna go to the front. So I'm just in the lobby. I'm waiting for Amanda to come get me because we need like a fob to get to the floor we need to go to. But yeah, I think the other girls should be here soon too. Wow, it looks so sunny. It doesn't look as sunny on the camera. By the way, this is Amanda. I know you love. Ooh, it's bright. All right, so we're just in our green room right now. There's Cheryl. Hey. Amanda. So Amanda's the host. It's gonna be actually on her YouTube channel. And me and Cheryl just guess.
We're in the background.
I know.
Special guests.
I know.
We're here to just look pretty.
And what are you doing, Amanda?
Just managing shit.
she's just gonna be the audience, our one woman audience, and all of you guys, hopefully.
You're the laugh track.
I know. Just clap for you guys. Okay. But it's so nice and sunny. Like, this is our view right now.
Oh my gosh.
I wish this was my office every day. Oh, that's okay. That's our camera guy.
Nikki here. Hi.
I'm vlogging.
Amanda Muse is going to be hosting it. You got to join us. We're talking upstairs Amy. Whoop whoop.
I love that I got that. Whoop whoop. So good. Oh, I love getting the real behind the scenes. All right, Amanda's getting everything working. We got the camera. The other Amanda, our audio.
Test, test, test.
Yes, our audio.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
If we trade a heart.
All right, we just finished. We rocked it. Great job.
So good. It was really good.
Yay! Amanda. You're part of the team too.
Such an amazing job.
We're gonna do some boomerangs and photos because that's what us YouTubers do. There's this like green wall that I always want to take a photo in front of. Like, look how cool that is. It goes forever, and I think it's real.
If we trade a heart for heart, then our souls will be lost forever.
All right, so I'm back at home. I've been home for a little bit. I had lunch, I did emails, did some calls, and now it's, what time is it? Like 7? I don't know where the day went. So I'm actually gonna do a bit of a roast. I've been craving like roasted chicken and some sweet potato, and I'm using, where is it? This duck fat that my friend Andrea got me straight from France. She's a flight attendant, so she travels all over the place and basically does, I was laughing the other day because I'm like, your grocery shopping is like international, like all the time. So she got this duck fat for me, which sounds odd. It's delicious. Like, I don't know if you've ever had like duck fat fries. It has like a light smell to it. It's so creamy. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but yeah, I tried it the other day with some eggs. It's so good. You just need a little bit, and it's just like a nice thing to have once in a while, like bacon. You know, it's not an everyday thing, but I'm gonna do it with some of this, some of these chicken wings, and I have purple sweet potatoes. Veggies are done roasting. Honestly, I feel so Portuguese right now. I was just saying this on my Instagram stories. Chicken and potatoes. I'm a happy Portuguese girl. So I'm gonna put up a plate together and have some dinner. All right, so this is my plate. I have the potatoes, the chicken. I added on some spring, like a spring mix. And then I also have this homemade dressing. I'm just gonna shake up, pour over top, and that is gonna be my lunch, or my dinner. Wow, I don't even know what time it is, but I like these spring mixes because like you don't have to chop anything. You could just add some greens to your dinner in a pinch. All right guys, it's like 10 o'clock right now. I was just eating dinner. I was on the phone with my mom, FaceTimed my brother and Oren for a little bit because I haven't seen them for the past few weeks, and I've just been watching little Vampire Diaries. I'm about to wash up. I'm gonna do my nightly or daily meditation before I get too tired, otherwise I just like fall asleep, and clean up the kitchen a bit and go to bed. It's been so weird like sleeping without Matt next to me. It's been almost a week now. Every time I hear like a little noise, I'm like, what was that? What was that? I mean, I live in a condo, so it's not like someone's gonna break in, but you know, fingers crossed, I shouldn't jinx it. But yeah, I mean, we're in a pretty safe spot, so I don't worry about too much, but it's like just weird sleeping by myself. Let's do question of the day today. Ooh, what is like your go-to dinner that you love to cook for yourself? Like if you could just, like if you could pick anything that you want to cook for yourself, what would it be? Like I love like Sunday roast dinners and stuff, like chicken and potatoes. Every time I go to my parents', that is what I ask for. So I would love to know, what is your go-to meal? that you would make for yourself to have like a cozy night in. Leave me a comment down below. All right guys, I'm gonna go wash up, do my meditation, and go to bed because I got a long day tomorrow. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Matt says bye too, from Korea. Okay, bye guys.
Tell me something new. Tell me something I already know about you. Could be something old, could be something